Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see infrastructure as a service. So we have already seen that basically there are three types of cloud services are there, like infrastructure as a service, then platform as a service, then infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. So basically these three types of services are there, which basically the cloud service provider focuses on. Apart from this, there are a number of services like network as a service, uh, then everything as a service we can consider here. So in this, we will first see infrastructure as a service. So infrastructure as a service provides access to fundamental resources such as physical machines, virtual storage, etc. Apart from these resources, the infrastructure service also offers virtual machine disk storage, virtual local area network, load balancers, IP addresses, and software bundles. So the thing is, we have basically seen the concept of virtualization. So what is virtualization means? We are having the physical machine, only one physical machine, suppose we are having, but we are treating it as a multiple machines. And the resources shared by the machines are there, and they are shared one another. And the thing is, in virtualization, we are giving access to the softwares, we are giving the access to the infrastructure from the cloud providers, and the all things are virtual. Means it is not physically exist, but we are treating like they are present. So this is the concept of virtualization. Infrastructure as a service provides access to the fundamental resources such as physical machines are there, but with that virtual machines are there, and you can see here virtual lots of virtual things we are considering under infrastructure as a service. So virtual storage it is there, then virtual machine disk storage, virtual local area network, and these virtual machines or virtual disk storages are generally from the physical memory of physical machine, from in which some part of memory is stored for the same. Means some part of the memory is stored for such operations which will be performing by user for these virtual machines. So virtual local area networks are there, load balancers are there, IP addresses are there, software bundles are there. So all of the above resources are made available to end user via server virtualization. Moreover, these resources are accessed by customer as if they own them. Like they customer is using these resources like they are having their own resources, and they have to pay for the resources which they have used, or for what time they have used. On the basis of that they have to pay. So in this, what we have to do is, or what we have to consider first thing is, virtualization is a key concept in infrastructure as a service, in which we are making a machine or making a computer as a server for the cloud, and that might be virtualized server. Means it is not physically present, but we are treating one machine as a server machine. In this diagram you will be getting some idea about infrastructure as a service. So end user is there, the software owner, virtual machine, and the virtual machine consists of lots of storage from the physical machine actually, but we are treating it as a virtual storage. Then virtual machine automation, and virtual machine deployed and started. Then we are having computing power, we are having load balancer, we are having firewall, and we are having